Now let's try to calculate net force by taking some examples. Observe here, students, if you observe the figure A, here we have a block and some forces working on this block. If you observe 8 newtons and 10 newtons force working on this block in the direction towards right, and another force 8 or 12 newtons working on this block in the left side direction. So net force equal to, here the two forces are working on this block in the same direction, so that's why we have to add these two forces and subtract the 12 newtons from this result. So net force equal to 8 newtons plus 10 newtons, that equal to 18 newtons. We have to subtract 12 newtons because this force works on this block against the another force, that's why we have to subtract one value from the another value. So 18 minus 12, so that equal to result 6 newtons, and the net force working on this block is 6 newtons, and this net force is in the direction of right side direction, so we have to mention the direction also. So here 18 newtons and this 12 newtons, so 18 newtons is greater than the 12 newtons, that's why this block moves in the direction right side, so we have to mention the result also. So that is net force is 6 newtons and this works on the block in the right side direction, that is towards right. Now coming to the second example, here also we have a block and if you observe two forces working on this block in the opposite directions, so we have to subtract one force from the another force. So net force equal to 8 newtons minus 8 newtons because these are in opposite directions, that's why I am subtracting here. 8 newtons minus 8 newtons equal to 0 newtons, that is net force here is 0. Now coming to the third block, here in the block two forces are working on this block in the same direction, that's why we have to add these two forces. So net force equal to 8 newtons plus 6 newtons, that equal to 14 newtons, and this force works on the block in the right side direction, so it's move in the direction, it is move in the direction towards right, so that's why we have to mention the direction of net force also here, that is 14 newtons, and it works on the block in the direction of right side direction, that is towards, and that means this block moves towards right side. Now coming to the last example, that is D. Here we have a block and two forces working on this block in the opposite directions, and one force working on this block in the downward direction and the another force working on this block in the upward direction. So net force equal to, here two forces are working on this block in the opposite direction, that's why we have to subtract one force from the another force. So net force equal to 9 newtons minus 8 newtons, that equal to 1 newton. Okay, here the net force is 1 newton and this net force is working on this block in the direction upward direction because upward force is greater than the downward force, so net force is 1 newton and this 1 newton force works on this block in the upward direction, so net force equal to 1 newton and this works in the upward direction. Okay students, in this way we have to calculate the net force working on the objects.